If you are conscious about your body and you're looking for a decent, non-expensive smartwatch, Mobvoi released a TicWatch GTH. Welcome back, this is Adam and you're watching Family Pop TV YouTube channel. TicWatch GTH, the new smartwatch from Mobvoi. It has a number of cool features which we'll discuss later in today's tech review. TicWatch GTH costs around £69 British or 79 American dollars. This is the only TicWatch with rectangular shape at the moment, and this is the most budget-friendly smartwatch TicWatch has in offer. In the box you'll find a user manual, a USB magnetic charging cable and the smartwatch itself. On the front we got 1.55-inch TFT LCD display with a screen resolution of 360 by 320 pixels with a nice curved front glass with anti-fingerprint coating. The display is very bright. There are 4 levels of brightness here and it has got a vivid colors. The watch has got a metal body. The design has been strongly inspired by an Apple Watch, as you can tell, but that's obviously a matter of perception. The straps are made from silicone. They are removable and replaceable with any 20mm wristbands of your choice. You can find an Amazon affiliate link to the compatible wrist straps in this video description. At the back we got a PPG sensors, the body temperature sensor which monitors the body temperature 24/7 and the charging pins. At the side of the watch there's a single multifunctional round button which is a home button, a power button and the exit button. It has a water resistant rating of 5 ATM, meaning it's suitable for showering, swimming and snorkeling at depths up to 50 meters. Just make sure you remove it before taking part in any high-speed water sports. It pairs with a dedicated Mobvoi app. You'll have to scan a QR code with your smartphone to get to the Apple Store or Google Play, as the app is compatible with both iOS and Android. The connection between the smartwatch and the mobile device uses Bluetooth 5.0. There are several useful features under Tic Health which are logically organized here. And we got a Tic Pulse, which is a heart rate measurement. We compare the accuracy of the TicWatch with a more expensive device, which is Polar Vantage M2, which has a very accurate heart rate measurement, and as you can see, the TicWatch does the job pretty well, as we got very similar readings of the heart rate from both devices. The Tic breath rate is a respiratory rate measured by the number of breaths you take over 1 minute. Tic oxygen, that feature measures the blood oxygen saturation, which refers to a measure of how much oxygen your red blood cells are carrying. Your body closely regulates your blood oxygen level. Maintaining the precise balance of oxygen-saturated blood is vital to your health. Most children and adults don't need to monitor their blood oxygen level. In fact, many doctors won't check it unless you're showing signs of a problem, like a shortness of breath or chest pain. Another feature, the Tic Temp, monitoring your skin temperature. It does it consistently 24 hours a day. It's a pretty useful feature in the current COVID situation. Tic Zen. This feature measures your potential stress level using the physiological measurements of body temperature with the onboard skin thermometer, and also it measuring how well the heart is functioning by taking a heart rate measurement. After 3 minutes of measuring, it gives you the relaxed or stressed score. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Tic Breathe. Deep breathing exercises to reduce potential anxiety by exercising the deep diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing, allowing your lungs to expand and creating negative pressure that drives air in through the nose and mouth, filling your lungs with air. Relaxing breath acts as a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. It's best to perform the exercise seated with your back straight. However, you can perform it while lying in bed or during yoga. Tic exercise. The TicWatch GTH hasn't got an automatic exercise detection, so before exercising you'll have to switch the exercise tracker manually. And the TicWatch GTH has got a pretty big list of features. You can track several exercises as it has 14 sport modes built in, which is an outdoor run, outdoor cycling, rope skipping, swimming, walking, rowing, freestyle, mountain climbing, indoor run, gymnastics, soccer in the US, you got football in the UK, basketball, indoor cycling and yoga. TicWatch GTH can count your steps, your calories burned and kilometers or miles traveled. The watch provides the data so the app can do your health monitoring. The app will create graphs to provide visible health data for you to know your own physical conditions easier. The Mobvoi app can offer you a complete guide during training to help you crush your fitness goals. TicWatch GTH has some degree of customization. You can pick and download a selection of available watch faces through the Mobvoi app. You can also create your own customized watch face using any photo or image from your smartphone and use it as a background. Scale it and choose the colors of the fonts. Now this is an example of a custom watch face. You can have your time and the step count at the bottom of the display. If you create your own watch face or download the watch face from the Mobvoi app selection, you could only store one own watch face in the smartwatch at the time. To quickly change the watch face, you just press and hold the screen for about 3 seconds and then choose between 4 factory watch faces and your customized one. TicSleep. You also have a sleep tracking mode, means the watch provides a record of your sleeping pattern. Notifications. As for the other functions, notifications for incoming calls are supported, as well as text messages, and also Facebook Messenger notifications, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, etc. etc. Every time you receive a notifications, like a call, SMS or app message, or any social media app message, it vibrates to alert you to avoid missing any important news. Should you have an incoming call, you have an option to drop the incoming call. Unfortunately, you can't take the phone call directly on the watch. In addition, the TicWatch GTH offers a timer, a stopwatch, a weather forecast which being pushed from your paired smartphone, music control. This allows to control the music tracks in your smartphone using the TicWatch screen. It's got a Find Watch feature as well. If you lose your watch somewhere in your house, you can tap here and the watch will constantly vibrate and ring until you press confirm. The TicWatch GTH can be connected to Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. However, I don't own the Alexa, but if I will have a chance to test this feature, I'll post it via the pinned comment in this video description. The high intensity lithium battery allows you to use the watch longer. You should have about 10 to 14 days of battery life between charging. Full charge takes around 2 hours. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable smartwatch that has 5 ATM waterproof rating and is compatible with Android and iPhone smartphones as well, TicWatch GTH would be a good and reliable option to start with. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video and found it pretty informative. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to Family Pop TV YouTube channel. Guys, if you're picking this up or you're planning to buy one, there's an Amazon link in the video description when you could get the TicWatch GTH for the fair price. I'll see you next week. Adam, Family Pop TV.